Eric's Foreign Language Wonderland Basic Spanish Lessons Lesson 8 Telling Time Course Outline Our lecture is divided into the following parts. Part 1 Spanish Time Telling via Direct Method. Part 2 Spanish Time Telling via Indirect Method. Part 3 Useful Sentence Pattern ¿A qué hora? Part 4 Appendix A Military Time in Spanish. Appendix B for Part 5 Supplementary vocabs for time telling. Let us begin with Section 8-1 Direct Method. Topic 1 How to ask about time in Spanish. You have the following three options. Option 1 ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? Most common expression. Option 2 ¿Qué hora tienes? Asking others about the time if they have a watch. Option 3 ¿Tienes la hora? Asking others about the time, not knowing whether they have a watch or not. Topic 2 Spanish Time Telling Direct Method. Case 1 On the hour. Please repeat after me. Es la una. Son las dos. Son las tres. Son las cuatro. Son las cinco. Son las seis. Son las siete. Son las ocho. Son las nueve. Son las 10. Son las 11. Son las 12. Es el mediodía. Es la medianoche. Case 2 Not on the hour. With minutes. Please repeat after me. Son las 4:10. Son las 2:19. Son las 5:45. Son las 7:15. Son las 7:15. Son las 8:30. Son las 8:30. Son las 11:50. Next, we'll move on to related vocabularies. See you in the next video.